Production vehicles and equipment behind Children's Hospital in Waltham this week where scenes for a Hollywood movie were shot. A publicist for the Warner Brothers film The Judge told us that 2 hospital scenes for the drama were shot inside on Wednesday, and that both Robert Duvall and Iron Man star Robert Downey Jr. were on the set. According to IMDb, the movie is about a successful lawyer who returns to his hometown for his mother's funeral. He then learns that his estranged father, the town's judge, is suspected of murder. A City of Waltham official tells us that 2 other Waltham locations will be used by the production starting next Monday. The Moody Spa convenience store on Moody Street, where a flashback scene starring Duvall will be set, and this nondescript former City Wires Department building on Church Street, where crews are building an interior to look like a police station. Filming in Waltham is set to finish there on Wednesday, July 24th. The publicist added that crews spent 3 weeks shooting in Shelburne Falls and also shot in Concord. Waltham has been used for other film locations such as this Warrendale home for the Tom Cruise film Night and Day, and this popular Main Street diner for Labor Day, an upcoming drama starring Tobey Maguire and Kate Winslet. But Downey Jr.'s presence here in Waltham comes at an interesting time. Forbes magazine recently named him the world's highest paid actor, raking in $75 million over the last year. The actor took home more than $50 million to play Iron Man in The Avengers, an international blockbuster. Downey Jr. is a producer on The Judge, which is being directed by David Dobkin, who had a major hit with the 2005 film Wedding Crashers. The Judge will likely be released in 2014. For Waltham Newswatch, this is Chris Wangler.